Wanted to give thanks to MINOREA and the event and all the distinguished guests for all the good information that's done for these small businesses in order for them to get contracts, corporate credit, and so they could blossom in the business industry.
You're sleeping in the back of the classroom. What did you do? He's coming by. What are you doing now? Uh-oh!
It's so important for small business to know that they're not alone. They don't have to take on that burden and financial cost all themselves, that they have firms that are here to help each other and provide them access and be a resource to them.
We learned a lot of great things about access to capital and how to get those government contracts and how to get them certified.
I heard some things about tax credits and S-Corps and C-Corps, how to structure your company properly so you don't leave yourself open for exposure.
We've got a lot of contact people in the real estate business and contracting and construction that could be an asset to our business as we move forward. Hopefully this event will help all of us to do some business together.
I had a great time speaking on a panel about what primes need to do to kind of help support small business and what we're looking for subcontractors.
Had a great time here at MINOREA today, meeting a lot of great people with good information, networking, learning a lot, and also sharing and taking some information back to my organization. It has been a really empowering experience.
I feel so great to represent at this MINOREA event. So many great speakers, so many great businesses to connect with. I learned a lot. And we got to present the power of video and why it's so important for you to have a video of your own. So tap in.
I want to thank everybody that came to the BEC Business Equality Contracting event May 4th. We really had a great event. We had a lot of information and a lot of feedback, a positive feedback of our audience. Thank you to all the participants, all the supporters.